Hey everyone, Darren here, and if you saw my last video about the AI assistant and using it to edit your images and turn them into a movie poster, then welcome back. If you've not seen that video, I'll link it up here and down below for you, because that's how you use the new Adobe Express AI assistant that's in limited beta right now. But in today's video, I want to show you how it looks when we're editing a template. And as I say, this is a limited beta available for premium users. And thank you to Adobe Express for sponsoring this video. I'm going to put all the links and the information down below in the description. But let's dive in and take a look at the AI assistant beta, limited beta available in Adobe Express and how you can use it to edit templates. Again, we're going to come up to the top left-hand corner and we've got this AI assistant button that we can turn on. In the previous video, we did the editing the image. Today, we're going to do it when we're looking at making a design. Now, let's say we've got a coffee shop, okay? Coffee shop offer. That's what we want to do. I'm going to spell coffee correctly because it's got two E's. Clearly, I've had too much coffee. New coffee blend. Now it's going to go away, find us a poster, and I'm like, well, I like this one. This one's really good. I'm going to edit that with the AI assistant. The team have just told me that actually we're not going to do this new caramel macchiato that we're going to offer. We're actually doing orange juices. So we're going to change the coffee to orange juice. We're all out of coffee. It was such a good offer. Okay, and we can see there that it is in a beta, so we're just going to undo this, probably because I had spelling mistakes in there. We're going to say change the coffee into an orange juice. You can see there it's updated our prompt. Replace the coffee drink with an orange juice drink in the image. Okay, and it knows there straight away that it's kind of like I got an orange juice with some cream on top. So we'd have to say, let's say we want to remove the cream from the coffee or from the juice, because nobody wants cream on their orange juice. That'd just be wrong. But, you know, if you want to give it a try, feel free. Okay, so we can see it's making it look more like a beer right now. So we're going to ask it now to update the background to be more in line with it being an orange juice. And there we go. We've got some other orange juice options. It's given us some controls here. We can also open up these controls and change the color of the background. So we could go for a darker orange if we wanted to. You can close those off. If you wanted to, you can then also just come into your normal Adobe Express features where you can just turn off the AI assistant and then your normal text options come in there. However, if you want to kind of just carry on in the AI assistant, you can just turn that back on. Okay, so we're now going to come in here and we're going to say update the text to be about orange juice. And there we go. We've got our new text that we can use and move around. And we can just then turn the AI assistant off and come in here and move this around and line things up a little bit more. We can come down here and change this option here and bring that down inside there. And you can see that you've got all of that usual full control if you wanted to turn off the assistant and come into Adobe Express. So that's the new AI assistant limited beta available inside of Adobe Express for premium users. If you like the look of this and you want to give it a go yourself, there is a limited beta option available for premium users while spaces are available. I'll put a link down below in the description. Go give that a try. I'd love to know what you're creating. Tag me over on Instagram at Better Content Creators. And until next time, thank you very much and bye for now.